This is perhaps the easiest Spanish word, but a lot of people mispronounce it. We're going to learn how to pronounce properly hello in Spanish. Hola. 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 Don't forget to subscribe. Hola. Do not say hola or hola. The pronunciation, the correct pronunciation is hola. Can you say it? Hola. Hola. Hola, spelled with H, means hello. And hola, the same sound without H, means wave. Anyway, did you know that you can also say hola by saying hey? Hey, it's very informal, way more informal than saying hola. Use hola most of the time, but if you are among close friends and you feel very comfortable, you can say hey, ¿cómo están? Okay, amigos. I'm Mr. Briggs, and thank you for watching my videos.